of the crypto rising star. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is going to be a second part of our video because this video is going to be a listing of PFVS when they're gonna list their token and which platform they're gonna list. So guys, we will explore everything about today's videos. Make sure that you have like, share, and subscribe my channel. And after subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon. Then you will get an access of all my videos notification. And request to all guys, please watch the video to end for the better experience. So guys, now it's time to take a startup on our today videos. So guys, basically the purpose storm is coming strong in the next week, guys. PFVS is set to ignite the market by listing on the sixth top tier CX listing. Just like number one is going to be Bybit official. So first of all, they're going to list this on the Bybit. You have to find out Bybit is also known as the number one cryptocurrency exchange in 2025. And after that, number second is Gate.io. They are also going to list their token on the Gate.io. This is also known as the well-known cryptocurrency exchange, and they're also going to list on the KuCoin, guys. You have to find out KuCoin, and they will also list their token there. You have to find out this thing here, and they are also doing the same thing at the BingX, guys. You have to check out this thing. They will also explore the BingX, and they will also list on the BingX. You have to check out this thing. The listing will be shown up at the BingX at number 4. At number 5 is that Hashkey Global, guys. You can also find them at the Hashkey Global, where they are also going to list their token there. You have to go and find out this thing. I can give you a guarantee that this gonna buckle up. And guys, after that, number 6 is Maxi Exchange, guys. MEXC Exchange, they're also gonna list there. This is also super duper amazing thing about this platform. This 6 top tier CX listing, they're gonna list on this, guys. And guys, PFVS is here in front of you guys. Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, BingX, Hashkey, Maxi. Every big exchange is here far in front of you. And after that, guys, here you have to follow them per verse on the Telegram, Twitter, guys. When you follow them on the Twitter, you will also get the everything about this platform there. You just need to go and find out everything, and more than just a fun party game, MMORPG cloud gaming platform. Let's play at the Ronin network. You can also play out this thing here. And guys, May 27 is when the PFVS TG gonna official PubGo game section kick off. The portal to the WePuff of staking, IGO point conversion, and everything. You can also find out the session at the 12 p.m. UTC at 27th May. And guys, here's some of the other things. You have to follow them on their Twitter, because when you follow them on their Twitter, you will also get amazing type of information about the coin there. You just need to go and find out this thing, guys. 30% logged in the Bluff Town, and everything is in front of you. You have to find out this thing here. And Puff is officially joining the KuCoin game board at the 12 p.m. 24 May. It's going to be done, guys. You can also find out at June 3, guys. The signal is gonna live here. You have to find out, and guys, here's the guys. Puff is a storm coming in the next week at the 6th top tier. Buckle up to the ride, the wave of the pure adrenaline. And you have to find out they are gonna coming soon, because this is the token that can change your fate. This is the token, and that can take your investment to the another level. So guys, I'm also personally interested. You know why? Because this token is listing on the 6th top tier, guys, which is, it is showing that this token lot of potential. This token is gonna be a change your fate. I am personally interested in this. You have to be interested. I am giving you guarantee that this platform gonna change your mind and take your investment to a level that can give you a huge amount of profit in 2025 here. You have to join now. So guys, that was a listing how much they want to list at these platforms in 2025 in the next week, guys. And you have to play the purpose here, where you can also get the details about this platform, and you can also find out lots of things about this platform there. And you have to follow them on the social media platform, and they're gonna list this at the 6 top tiers. You have to visit out this thing, more than just a fun party game, and this is going to be changing your brain. So guys, that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. So guys, I will meet you